Extreme Hold is the latest and greatest in silicone adhesive technology. This is our first true maximum hold silicone adhesive. It's easy to work with, gives a reliable 4+ week hold, and is easy to remove. It also meets all standards to be sold in the EU. It's great for all types of units and is medically tested skin safe. It's available in 4 sizes: 1/2 ounce, 1.4 ounce, 4 ounce, and 16 ounce. We recommend purchasing the 4 ounce or 16 ounce squeeze bottles for installs, as they are the easiest to work with. To use Extreme Hold, squeeze a small amount onto a brush. We recommend using Walker Tape sponge brushes. Brush 2 very thin layers onto the scalp. If your adhesive layers are too thick, it will compromise the strength and duration of the hold. Next, blow dry the adhesive until very tacky. We then recommend using just right positioning spray to give you a little extra time placing the unit before the adhesive sticks. You can learn more about Just Right on our website. Extreme Hold removes easily with Walker Signature Remover, requiring almost no time for the adhesive to break down. To learn more about Extreme Hold and place your order, visit walkertapeco.com.